Hero MAVRICK 440 bike. The MAVRICK 440 embodies the perfect balance of boldness and innovation, redefining expectations within the world of motorcycling. Its design seamlessly integrates timeless elegance with modern functionality, offering an unparalleled riding experience. Built for those who are born to write their own story, the MAVRICK 440 isn't just about freedom of movement, it's about freedom of expression, allowing you to express yourself on every journey. Our Class D LED projector headlamp delivers superior, intelligent illumination for every ride. The integrated H-shaped design combines position function and daytime running lights, DRL, for consistent lighting. At the rear, the distinctive H-shaped compact LED tail lamp blends style with visibility. Complementing these, the full LED winkers offer efficient, long-lasting signaling. Elevate your ride with our digital speedometer featuring a negative display for clear, easy access to vital information. With smartphone integration, Bluetooth connectivity, phone battery status, missed call alerts, and message notifications. It also features incoming call alerts, turn-by-turn navigation, low fuel indicator and distance to empty feature. The RTME display provides real-time mileage tracking and a gear indication. Front-forward stance. The motorcycle's design emphasizes a front-forward stance, offering a ready-to-pounce look that commands attention. Experience the unparalleled strength and durability of a meticulously crafted metal body. Its resilience speaks of quality and longevity, ensuring your ride is not just about style, but also about substance. Best Buy link description box. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.